Hello all, welcome to UNext Officer channel. I'm Dr. Adira and I'll be teaching you important topics of biology which are repeatedly asked in UPSC and other central exams. If you haven't subscribed this channel, then please do subscribe this channel. In today's episode, we'll be discussing some important MCQs. So coming to the first question, lymphocyte cells are formed in which part of human body? Option A liver, option B kidney, option C pancreas and option D spleen. So this question is based on the topic of lymphoid organs. So let's discuss some important points regarding lymphoid organs. So these lymphocytes are is a type of WBCs or leukocytes and their primary function is to provide protection against specific diseases. So where are these lymphocytes formed? These lymphocytes are primarily formed in primary lymphoid organs like bone marrow and thymus. And here is a diagram showing thymus. So thymus and bone marrow forms primary lymphoid organ and WBCs from these primary lymphoid organs via circulation will reach into secondary lymphoid organs. And at these secondary lymphoid organs, these WBCs will get sensitized to foreign antigens. So the examples of secondary lymphoid organs are tonsils and adenoids, spleen, lymph nodes and lymphatic vessels. So our question was, lymphocyte cells are formed in which part of the human body? So this question is directly asking which among the following are lymphoid organs. So among the four options, none of them are primary lymphoid organs. So the best possible answer will be spleen, which is a secondary lymphoid organ. So the right answer is option D, spleen. Now coming to the next question. In which organ of the human body are lymphocytes formed? Option A liver, option B bone marrow, option C spleen, option D pancreas and option E none of the above or more than one of the above. So again this question is indirectly asking which among the following are lymphoid organs. So among them bone marrow is a primary lymphoid organ and spleen is a secondary lymphoid organ. So both these are right answers and the correct option is option E, more than one of the above. Now coming to the next question. The blood glucose level is commonly expressed as option A millimeter of mercury, option B milligram per deciliter, option C parts per million and option D gram per liter. So blood glucose is usually expressed as milligram per deciliter. And there are some important points to note. The common sugar level, blood glucose level. The normal fasting blood sugar level is 75 to 110 milligram per deciliter. And the normal RBS, that is random blood sugar level, is less than 126 milligram per deciliter. So the right answer to this question is option B, milligram per deciliter. And this millimeter of mercury, it is usually used to express blood pressure. And the normal human blood pressure is 120 over 80 millimeter of mercury. And parts per million is usually used for expressing chloride level or fluoride level in water. So the right option to this question is option B. Now coming to the next question. The enzyme which take part in changing fibrinogen to fibrin when blood clots are formed are option A pepsin, option B maltase, option C thrombin and option D prothrombin. So this question is indirectly asking about the coagulation pathway. So let's discuss about the coagulation pathway. There are two pathways of coagulation, that is extrinsic pathway and intrinsic pathway. Both these pathway will finally conclude in common pathway, that is involving the activation of clotting factor of 10 into activated clotting factor 10. And this activated clotting factor 10 will in turn causes conversion of prothrombin into thrombin, and this thrombin will convert fibrinogen into fibrin, and finally this fibrin will eventually result in the formation of stabilized clot. So question was, which enzyme will convert fibrinogen to fibrin, and so the right answer is thrombin. Option C, thrombin. Now coming to the next question, percentage of water in plasma is option A 60%, option B 70%, option C 80%, and option D 90%. The plasma consists of 90% of water and 10% of solid. This 10% of solid is further divided into inorganic component and organic component. The inorganic components of plasma includes sodium, potassium, calcium and magnesium, and organic components in plasma are proteins, hormones, vitamins and lipids. So our question was percentage of water, and the right answer is 90%. That is option D. So that's all about today's MCQs. Hope you have all understood. If you have any queries regarding any question, you can type it in the comment box below. And let's meet in the next video with another set of questions. Till then, bye guys.